what's up? It's me, Alicia. Welcome back to our channel, y'all. It is getting hot and y'all know we're gonna be outside this summer, so I wanted something real cute, but also something kind of like Little Mermaid. Like, I don't know, like, y'all tell me. But anyways, y'all, I picked up this unit from WowAfrican.com, so if you guys are interested, everything is going to be linked down below in the description area. But y'all, this unit is in the color brown cherry, and I think that is perfect for all skin tones. So no matter what color brown you are, sis, this is going to be for all of us. If you haven't tried this shade before, try it. I promise you're gonna love it. This unit does have their clear HD lace, so you guys can glue it down and it's going to melt into your complexion. It also has their glueless cap design, so it does have those combs, the adjustable straps, and the elastic band. And this is how the unit looks directly out of the box. It is a ready to wear unit. All you really have to do is just hit it with the flat iron a little bit, maybe just lay the top, and it should be good and ready to wear. I'm going to show you guys what I do to prepare my unit. So again, y'all, this is how it comes directly out of the box. I'm just going to remove those tangles, and I'm going to take my Wow glass spray and just spray it throughout the unit, as well as use my BioSilk serum. I'm just going to put like a tiny bit on the hair because we don't want to weigh this unit down. And then I'm just going to section the unit and then take my Babyliss titanium flat iron and just go through the hair, removing those little crimply pieces.
But you want me home, I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Maybe I'm acting, you fill me up, but now I was helping out. But I don't want you around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you.
So now that I have the hair pressed out the way that I like it, I'm just going to go ahead and lay the front and the top of the unit, taking my wax stick and my hot comb. You guys can see just how natural that hairline looks. I absolutely love WowAfrican's pre-plucked hairline. It is the most natural out of any company that I've ever had a wig from, so kudos to them. But y'all, this is how the unit is looking. You guys can see that brown cherry, that hairline. I mean, look at the texture of the unit. If I didn't mention this before, this is a kinky straight unit, so it's giving me relaxed hair vibes, super natural, super realistic, and super soft. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and get that lace cut off. All the people who do not like to adhere their units down. If you are one of those people, get this wig. I promise you're gonna like it because this melt down with no glue, A1. But what I'm going to do is adhere my unit down by taking my Bedhead Hardhead mini hairspray, and I like to just apply that along my hairline and blow dry it down. I go and do this a couple of rounds so that it can become very tacky, and then I just apply the unit on top of that. You can go back over it with a little more of that hairspray if there is some corners or some lace that didn't stick to the adhesive. Make sure you have your blow dryer handy, and then I like to apply my elastic band so that I can get a better melt down. And while you have that band on, just go through your hair and style it the way that you want to wear it. And yeah, just make sure you have that band on for at least 20 minutes. guys can't tell me nothing. Like, this wig is bomb. Like this wig is so cute. Like, I absolutely love the texture, I love the color, I love the density, I love the length, I love the hairline. Everything about this unit is A1. So for those of you guys who want a real natural look where you don't have to put in a lot of effort or a lot of work, this is definitely the unit for you. Again, this unit is in the color brown cherry. The unit is 20 inches long. I am 5'8", and this is where that 20-inch falls on me. The density on this one is, I believe, 150. If I'm not correct, I will link it in the description box. And as you guys can see, here are the angles of the hair. The one thing that I do love about this unit is that it's extremely versatile. I'm going to go ahead and throw this unit in a couple of styles. Let me know which you prefer. So again, y'all, this unit comes from WowAfrican.com. Be sure to check their website out and hurry up and get your hands on this unit. You will not be disappointed. Let me know what you guys think of this one, and I will catch you later. Bye, guys.